Hello, my dear children. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to address you all for the first time on this auspicious day, that is Children's Day. I wish each one of you a very, very happy Children's Day. We love you all. We celebrate Children's Day to commemorate birth anniversary of the first Indian Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is also recognized across the country to raise awareness about the rights, care, and education of children. Do you know, since 1956, India has been celebrating Children's Day on November 20th. Originally, November 20th, Children's Day was observed as a Universal Children's Day by United Nations. However, after the death of Chacha Nehru in the year 1964, his birth anniversary began to be celebrated as Children's Day in our country. His popularity among the children was considered and a resolution was passed in the parliament to celebrate National Children's Day in his honor on November 14th. Nehruji was a strong advocate for children's education and always believed that a newly independent country could only flourish alongside the prosperity of its children. He believed that children were the real strength of a nation and foundation of a society. According to Chacha Nehru, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country. He had a clear vision of what modern India should look like and realized to set his dreams by developing strong pillars which would support the newly independent nation back then. As we say, rights and responsibilities go hand in hand. It is therefore incumbent on each one of you, dear students, to bear yourselves with dignity, grace, inquisition, courage, resilience, and fortitude so as to do justice to the rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India for its young citizens. As John F. Kennedy said, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. As we celebrate Children's Day, my dear students, I urge upon each one of you to seek support and help from your teachers, parents, whom you consider as your mentors or guides or coaches, and also from your peers to educate, enable, and empower yourselves towards being effective and impactful contributors as responsible social citizens. Children, stay safe, stay healthy, take good care of your health. Jai Hind.
Discovery of India fascinates us. Who can forget his famous speech, Tryst with Dynasty? Yes, he was loved by various children and his love was reciprocated by the name Chacha Nehru. So children, I hope you can understand about whom I am talking. Yes, let us celebrate his birth anniversary by recalling some of our memories from childhood.
নমস্কার। কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের লেখা কবিতা বিচিত্র স্বাদ। আমি যখন পাঠশালাতে যাই আমাদের এই বাড়ির গলি দিয়ে 10টা বেলায় রোজ দেখতে পাই ফেরিওয়ালা যাচ্ছে ফেরি নিয়ে। চুরি চাই সে হাঁকে, চীনের পুতুল ঝুড়িতে তার থাকে। যায় সে চলে যে পথে তার খুশি, যখন খুশি খায় সে বাড়ি গিয়ে। 10টা বাজে, 10:30 বাজে, নাইকো তারা, হয় বা পাছে দেরি, ইচ্ছে করে সেলেট ফেলে দিয়ে অমনি করে বেড়াই নিয়ে ফেরি।
When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He spoils his cloth with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging.
একটু বেশি রাত না হতে হতে মা আমারে ঘুম পাড়াতে চায়। জানালা দিয়ে দেখিছে পথে পাগড়ি পরে পাহারাওয়ালা যায়। আধার গলি, লোক বেশি না চলে, গ্যাসের আলো মিটমিটিয়ে জ্বলে। লণ্ঠনটি ঝুলিয়ে নিয়ে হাতে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকে বাড়ির দরজায়। রাত হয়ে যায় 10টা 11টা, কেউ তো কিছু বলে না তার লাগি। ইচ্ছে করে পাহারাওয়ালা হয়ে গলির ধারে আপন মনে জাগি। নমস্কার।
Today is your day. Happy Children Day, kids. Fill this day with your love, innocence, and laughter. You are the ones who light up our mundane lives and give us a reason to look forward to.
Children, do you know what we celebrate on 14th November? Yes, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November with full of excitement. So, as we all know that children are the happiness of the society, Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
चाचा नेहरू ने देखे थे न भारत के सपने, सपने पूरे कर सकते थे उनके बच्चे अपने। बच्चों, चाचा नेहरू का जन्म दिवस बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है क्योंकि वह बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे। उन्होंने अपने पूरे जीवन भर बच्चों को बहुत महत्व दिया है और वह उनसे बातें करना भी पसंद करते थे। बच्चे उन्हें प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहते थे। उनका मानना था कि बच्चे हमारे राष्ट्र का भविष्य हैं, इसीलिए उनका पालन पोषण और शिक्षा अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए। बचपन है ऐसा खजाना, आता है ना जो दोबारा, मुश्किल है इसको भुलाना, वो खेलना कूदना और खाना, मौज मस्ती में बलखाना।
আমি হব সকালবেলার পাখি, সবার আগে কুসুম বাগে উঠবো আমি ডাকে। সূর্যি মামা জাগার আগে উঠবো আমি জেগে। হয়নি সকাল, ঘুমো এখন, মা বলবেন রেগে। বলবো আমি, আলসেমি ঘুমিয়ে তুমি থাকো, হয়নি সকাল তাই বলে কি সকাল হবে না কো। আমরা যদি না জাগি মা কেমনে সকাল হবে, তোমার ছেলে উঠলে গো মা রাত পোহাবে তবে।
Children are the best creation of God. Let them fly with their thoughts. Every child is a different kind of flower, and together make this world a beautiful garden.
A very happy Children's Day to all of you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. We love you children from all our hearts. We bless you children from all our hearts. We love you children from all our hearts. We bless you children from all our hearts.
You are the shining stars and gifts of God. You are the children best of rest. You are the birds and you are the flowers. You are the shining stars who shine in the sky. You are the light of darkness. We pray for your brightness. You are the light of darkness. We pray for your brightness. You are the glimpse of future, and you are the pride of our teachers. You are the children, we want you to shine. You are the children, we want you to fly.
চারটি রুটি বাঁধবো জুটি আলু ভাজা 500 মজা কড়াইশুঁটি কালকে ছুটি পাস্তা পেনে তোকেও চেনে একটু খাওয়া মিষ্টি হাওয়া গল্প শুরু স্টোন পেপার সিজার খেলার দিন তোর জন্য খোলা টিফিন বক্স ভাগ করে খাওয়া টিফিন বক্স তোর জন্য খোলা টিফিন বক্স ভাগ করে খাওয়া টিফিন বক্স চল বন্ধু হবি বল বন্ধু হব বন্ধু হবি বন্ধু হব গুপ্ত ধন ভরা টিফিন বক্স গরম ফিশ ফ্রাই করবি কি ট্রাই কুলের আচার করবো পাচার লুকিয়ে রাখা এখন ছুটি কালো জাম আর সুইট স্প্যাগেটি একটু মায়া চাইছে ছায়া পাঞ্জা লড়াই স্টোন পেপার সিজার খেলার দিন তোর জন্য খোলা টিফিন বক্স ভাগ করে খাওয়া টিফিন বক্স চল বন্ধু হবি বল বন্ধু হব বন্ধু হবি বন্ধু হব গুপ্ত ধন ভরা টিফিন বক্স
Hello everybody, good morning. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today is 14 November. It is Children's Day. Why? Because it is the birthday of our beloved Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children and children too loved him. Children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. So you are at home, we are at school, we miss you a lot. So to celebrate this day, we will entertain you with different things. First, tour of the school. Yay!
Hello students, see, this is our assembly stage. Here, every day we are conducting our assembly, morning assembly. And here, you are standing making a queue. So students, very soon we will meet again in this assembly.
Please welcome to our TIC classroom. Children, meet our TIC sir, Mr. Soikat Chakravarti sir.
Good morning all of you. How are you? Long days I have not met with you, so I am eagerly waiting for you. That is when you will come to the school. And you know, today is a special day. That's why many happy returns of the day. Happy Children's Day to all of you. You enjoy the day and always listen to your parents and and always be careful in your studies and obey your teachers. Thank you and have a nice day all of you.
Now please welcome to our Vice Principal's ma'am's room. See children, it's our Vice Principal's ma'am.
Children, I know you love to read books. So children, let me show you your school library. This is your school library. And there are a lot of books in your library. Let me show you the books. These are the books. So children, this is your classroom and this is your big board. This is your smart board and this is your class. You all are missing your class?
No children, come. This is our principal sir's room. You know what is the name of our principal sir? Yes, you are correct children. He is our respected Arup Sarkar sir. So this is his room. Come, see his room.
Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. See, this is our school garden. You can see different types of flowers and plants are here. Dear students, very soon we will meet and enjoy over here.
Hello children, this is your computer room. Come, let's see.
Dear children, this is our classroom, you know. We have missed our classroom for a long time. But I hope we will meet very soon. Bye bye.
ছোট ছোট পায়ে চলতে চলতে ঠিক পৌঁছে যাব এই ছোট ছোট পায়ে চলতে চলতে ঠিক পৌঁছে যাব সেই চাঁদের পাহাড় দেখতে পাবো সেই চাঁদের পাহাড় মাথায় রংধনু রংজার দেখতে পাবো ঠিক পৌঁছে যাব এই ছোট্ট ছোট্ট পায়ে চলতে চলতে ঠিক পৌঁছে যাব এই ছোট্ট ছোট্ট পায়ে চলতে চলতে ঠিক পৌঁছে যাব লা 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 लकड़ी के काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी के काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 दुम उठा के दौड़ा टकबक टकबक
Children, so this is our tiffin time. See how we are taking our tiffin, how we should take. Yes, we are just sharing our tiffin. When you will come to school, that time when you will take tiffin, you should share your tiffin.
Hello everyone. Do you know which date is today? Yes, it's 14th November and we all celebrate this day as Children's Day on the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. On this auspicious day, your all teachers want to do something for you. So, do you want to watch it? Okay, let's watch.
Children, today is yours day. We, the all UKG teachers, are going to perform a short drama on that day. Please watch the drama very carefully because after that you need to guess the name of the story. Let's see and enjoy the drama. It was a hot summer afternoon. Cap, cap, cap. A cap seller sat under a tree. And had his food and slept for some time. There were many monkeys on the tree. They saw the cap seller's bundle. They came down and opened the bundle. They found caps in it. They took them and went back on the tree. When the cap seller got up, he saw the monkeys on the tree with his caps on their heads. He shouted at them, but the monkeys went higher up on the tree. So he threw his cap down in anger. Seeing this, all the monkeys threw their caps down. The cap seller picked up the caps and tied them in a bundle and went on his way. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day to all of you.
A very good day. My name is Advija Bhattacharya and I am a student of class 9 of Satish Chandra Memorial School. Recently, I had enlisted my name for a creative writing competition which was organized by Biologically Speaking. Biologically Speaking is an international non-profit organization formed by scientists around the globe. The name of the topic about which I would write was Through the Eyes of Dr. Strange, What Would Happen If I Got Transported 20 Years into the Future? The names of the judges who judged my writing were Shubha Priyadarshini, who is the Chief Editor of Nature India, Dr. Tosha Ghoshal, who has a PhD degree of cognitive neurology and is currently now the assistant professor of English at California State University, and Dr. Anirban Sarkar from CNCI. And we had to submit the writing by 30th October, and the writing limit was of 1000 words. They would select 6 finalists out of the many entries that they got around the globe, and I was one of them. On 6th November, we had to attend a Zoom meeting where we had to introduce ourselves and read our stories in front of the judges. And I bagged the first prize, and I will be getting $100 prize money and the certificate. I want to thank my school for their endless support, my teachers and my parents for always believing in me, and I would try to work harder in the future and bring back as many prizes and achievements as I can in the future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Ritobroto Ghosh. I secured 99.8% in the All India Secondary School Examination 2020-2021. This day wouldn't have been possible without the constant support and guidance of my parents and teachers. I am very grateful towards all the teachers of my school who have guided me constantly in this entire phase. I want to seek the blessings of all of you watching this for my journey forward. I will try my best to keep up to the expectations of my own and everyone else. Thank you.
আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয় এই আকাশে, আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয়, আমার মুক্তি ধুলায় ধুলায় ঘাসে ঘাসে এই আকাশে, আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয়।
Zagamada Sani re sada pamada bagamada Ni re dada pa ni zagamada Sani re sada pamada bagamada Ni re dada pa দেহ মনের সুদূর পারে হারিয়ে ফেলি আপনারে, গানের সুরে আমার মুক্তি ঊর্ধ্বে ভাসে এই আকাশে, আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয় এই আকাশে, আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয়।
Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, was born on 14 November 1889. He was a great political leader, social democrat, anti-colonial leader. Beside all this, he was a great author and a good human being indeed. Among his beautiful writings he has written, the famous ones are The Letter from a Father to His Daughter, A Discovery of India, and Autobiography were read worldwide. On 14 November every year, we celebrate Children's Day to give tribute to our Chacha Nehru. In this day he was born. He thought that the children and youths are the real strength of any nation and social foundations. If we look onto the history of Children's Day, we will see that on 20th November every year it is celebrated worldwide as Universal Children's Day, the guidelines given by the United Nations. But After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, we Indians thought that our Children's Day will be celebrated on 14 November every year as it is its birth anniversary. This is also known as Bal Divas because the youths or the children are given encouragement to go to school. This is not a holiday. Instead, the youths go to school, enjoy, and get encouragement in extracurricular activities.
Hello children, wish you all a very happy Children's Day, and this song is specially dedicated to you all. किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना, खामोश क्यों हो जो भी कहना है कहो, दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो, हाँ तुमको मिलेगा उतना प्यार मैं हूं ना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना।
कभी जो तुम सोचो कि तुम ये देखो, अरे कितना मुझको तुमसे प्यार है, तो चुप मत रहना ये मुझसे कहना, अरे कोई क्या ऐसी भी यार है, दिल ही नहीं दे जान भी दे जो तुम्हें, दिल ही नहीं दे जान भी दे जो तुम्हें हो, तो मैं कहूँगा सरकार मैं हूं ना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार मैं हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना, खामोश क्यों हो जो भी कहना है कहो, दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो, तुमको मिलेगा उतना प्यार मैं हूं ना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार मैं हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना।
कहने की हो दिल में कोई बात मुझसे कहो, कोई पल हो दिन हो या हो रात मुझसे कहो, कोई मुश्किल कोई परेशानी आए, तुम्हें लगे कुछ ठीक नहीं हालात मुझसे कहो, कोई हो तमन्ना या कोई आरज़ू, कोई हो तमन्ना या कोई आरज़ू, हाँ रहना कभी ना बेकरार में होना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना, खामोश क्यों हो जो भी कहना है कहो, दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो, हाँ तुमको मिलेगा इतना प्यार में होना,
किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना।